Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your drag system on your fly reel. First we need to remove the reel so we can get access to the drag system itself. After that we're going to locate the lock ring, which we're going to remove. You can use a set of pliers by gently pushing off the lock ring. You can also use a flathead screwdriver, doing the same. Originally, this reel comes with a teflon nylon shim, and it would look like this. You are going to remove this shim and trace around and in center onto the cork sheet. Then we can cut it out using a sharp exacto knife. Be sure that the center fits snugly onto the reel. As the thickness of the cork is too thick, I will hammer and press it to make it fit better. The cork I use is 2 mm thick and the original shim is 1 mm. So it needs to be compressed, or you need to find a better fitting cork about 1.2 to 1.5 mm in thickness. Now install the shim back into your reel and put it back together. When you have the reel assembled, tighten up your drag to compress the shim. Loosen it up again and repeat till you have the fit you want. Now you have yourself a modified drag system in your reel. I hope you will enjoy the functioning drag system that won't fail you, even when you get your reel wet. I hope you found this useful. I wish you the best. Be well. And as a little bonus, I can tell you this also works on spinning reels. Here you just need to find the right cork thickness.